In this video, I will show you how to create Telegram channel. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Telegram. Now the first thing you're going to want to do if you're on Android is press onto the new message button, which will be in the bottom right hand corner. If you're on an iPhone like myself, what you're going to want to do is press onto chats at the bottom. And then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto this icon just up here. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this. And what you need to do from here is press onto the option which says new channel, and this is where we can come to start creating our channel. So all you need to do is press the blue create channel button. What that's going to do is take you to this screen where we can create our channels. What I can do is name my channel, so I'm going to call this one Tech Tutor's channel, and we can add a picture by pressing this camera icon over here. What I've done, I've just added my channel logo, and you can also provide a description if you want to. So once you're happy with everything, what you need to do is come up and press next in the top right hand corner. And then what we can do is choose whether to have our channel as public or private. So private channels can only be joined via an invite link, which is generated down here. Or if you set to public, then public channels can be found in search. Anyone can join them. What we can do is set a link for this down here. So I can call this one, for example, Tech Tutor's channel, just like so. And as you can see, that one's available. So what I'm going to do is come up and press next in the top right hand corner to confirm. As mentioned, we're going to get this pop-up saying that please note that if you choose a public link for your channel, anyone will be able to find it and search and join. Do not create this link if you want your channel to stay private. So we're just going to go ahead and press OK. Then what we can do is add some contacts to our list, just like so. So I'm going to add this person here. Then come up to the top right hand corner and press next. And here we are, as you can see, our channel has now been created. Now from here, what you can do is come up to the top and press onto the channel name, and we can change things in here, so different settings and things like that. And we can also find our link, which we can share with anyone that we want to join our channel. So that is how to create Telegram channel. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.